Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture you are going to learn how to manage your models in Maya. You can get the layer editor in the channel panel, and the channel panel is here. If you are on the layer attribute editor, you can click on the channel box and then you can see the layer panel here at the bottom. Now the layer panel is empty, so we'll create few objects first. Click on the sphere, then cylinder and cube. Press W and move the cylinder in minus Z and sphere in minus X. And now let me show you how to create layers and how to put this object inside the layer so that we can easily return the visibility and we can easily manage the models. So if we select this cylinder and click on the icon here, this third icon, create a layer, then we had created a layer for this cylinder. Now we will select these two objects, sphere and a cube, and we'll click on this last icon to create a layer. So we had created a layer for these two objects now. So V, you can see the V written in the small box. V is for visibility. If we turn off this V, then the visibility of the particular object will get off. So we can return the visibility by again clicking on that icon here. So if we click down on the layer 1, the visibility for the cylinder is not getting off. So if we create a layer by clicking on this icon, so this will only create a layer, not add the object inside the layer. So for this we have to select the object and then right click on the layer and then click on add selected objects. So this has added the object inside the layer, and now if we off the visibility, you can see the object is getting hidden. If we want to rename the layer, we can double click on the layer, and here we have a edit layer option, and in this we can rename the layer. Like in this layer we have put the cylinder, we can rename it cylinder. Save. In the same way we can click on this layer and rename it. Now P, we will return on this P later on. If we click on the last icon, T will return, and T means the object will go in the template mode. In template mode we can only see means the edge of the object, not the surface. Again if we click on this T, it will return to reference mode. In reference we will not be able to move the object. We can see the object in shaded mode, but the object is now locked. That is why we called it as reference mode. And again if we click on this R, it is in normal mode. Now we can select the object and manipulate it by the tool, move tool. So this P is for playback. So what is playback? When you play here, it is going to dead because because this P, when you play the animation, you want few things to be hidden. So you can do that by turning off this P. And if you want to change the color of the object, you can click on this last icon here before the cylinder. There is one option called none. From here we can select the color. If we select this red color and then save, but we are not able to see this red color here. So if we uh, go to the wireframe mode, then here you can see the cylinder is showing in red color. And if you want to set the color for this two object, then you can go to this layer cube, and now you can set the color to yellow and save. Now this two objects will show in yellow color and this in red. But again, if you return this to shaded mode, then the color will get off. In these two ways you can add any of the object in the layer, or directly you can add while creating the layer. Say you practice this options here and then switch to the next lecture. The next lecture we will learn about soft selection and symmetry.